The new McLaren W1 is the groundbreaking successor to two of the greatest supercars ever, the McLaren F1 and the McLaren P1. The spine-tingling driver enjoyment is ensured by the W1's revolutionary new high downforce, low drag, ground effect aerodynamics design, which is further enhanced by the unique transformation process from road mode to race mode for track driving. The W1's ride height lowers by 37mm at the front and 17mm at the rear, and a heave system stiffens the suspension. Front and rear active wings are deployed, with the McLaren active longtail extending rearwards by up to 300mm to assist in generating the 1,000 kilos of downforce available in the W1. The all-new 4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that debuts in the W1 is coupled with a power-dense E-module. The car's high-performance hybrid powertrain produces epic power at a total of 1,257 horsepower, made up by 915 horsepower from its petrol engine and 342 horsepower from its electric module. This gives the W1 the highest ever power output of any McLaren, and putting it above all core competitors apparently. The power and torque are to the rear wheels only through an E-differential, and it's driven by an 8-speed transmission with E-reverse. McLaren's relentless dedication to lightweight engineering has resulted in levels of performance previously only attainable by track-only supercars and race cars. Engineered for amazing power delivery and breathtaking performance, the powertrain combines with a vehicle weight of just under 1,400 kilos to deliver an astonishing power-to-weight ratio of almost 900 horsepower per tonne. This huge amount of power, together with a total torque of 1,340 Nm and instant throttle response from the E-module, this gives the W1 astonishing acceleration figures. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes just 2.7 seconds, and 0 to 124 miles per hour is reached in only 5.8 seconds. For more information on this crazy powerful machine, visit CarWow.